The history of agriculture has been a struggle to get enough nitrogen into our plants, into our agriculture. Humans require 9 different amino acids that have nitrogen. And although we have nitrogen all around us, 70% of the air in our atmosphere is nitrogen, that's all locked in strong triple bonds. So throughout history, farmers have done many things to try and get nitrogen into the soil. You all know about legumes, of course, that can fix nitrogen, put it in the soil. Human and animal manure, the staple of organic farming. This is an interesting picture here, though. This guy's he's standing on a pile of bison skulls. In the 1870s, they were killing bison. They were taking their bones and grinding them up and using them for fertilizer in agriculture. And then also in the 1800s, this is a several 100-foot high pile of bird guano from the west coast of South America. This was discovered, and this supplied the world for 30 or 40 years, 3 or 4 decades. They would take this and ship it all over the world, put it into agriculture, and then they completely depleted it. So by 1900, people were very concerned about how are we going to feed the growing population. We can't get enough nitrogen into crops. And that's when a couple Germans came along, Fritz Haber and Karl Bosch, and they developed a process of producing ammonia from atmospheric nitrogen and hydrogen under high pressure and high temperature. And this initially went in to supply the German war industry with ammunition. But at the end of World War II, the munitions plants around the world, many of them were converted to producing nitrogen for agriculture. And Václav Smil has said without this synthesis, without synthesized nitrogen, about 2/5 of the world's population would not be around. So this has to be considered one of the great inventions in history.